can now order all your ingredients directly through the Cookidoo website or app. In order to do so, choose the recipe you want to cook. Once you are on your recipe homepage, click the Add button in order to open the menu. You can now add your recipe to your week planning as well as to your shopping list. Repeat the steps to include all the recipes for your week planning and for your grocery shopping. Once your planning is done, click the Show Shopping List tab on the top right of your screen. You can now view your shopping list by categories or by recipes, allowing you to check off all the items that you already have in possession. At the top of your screen, you are now ready to press the Order Ingredient tab, which will open a new window and will allow you to choose your store. Your shopping list is imported onto the store online shopping database. You can now proceed as usual with your online shopping. Most online grocery shopping offers replacement ingredients if they are out of some items. Customize your shopping list the way you want it, add the items into your cart, review your order and quantities, and proceed with checkout as usual. Then be able to enter your personal information, delivery address, as well as choosing a delivery time. Now, all you have to do is wait for your ingredients to arrive before some fun cooking with your Thermomix.